Hey, Urbanist community, peace everyone. I started to work with DJ the Money Coach a couple days ago, and I learned already a lot of great stuff. I'm new in a lot of subjects. I'm actually not from the country. I'm a professional athlete, so I just didn't want to make the same mistake as a lot of athletes and with my money. So I took the webinar, and I'm about to continue to work with him. I'm about to continue to take all the packages and stuff like that, the books that he referred me. So it was great already. I've already learned a lot of things, and I just wanted to advise you guys to work with him, listen to what he has to say, what he has to teach you, and that's it. It's been great for me, and I'm looking forward to continue to work with him and with you guys. Take care, guys.